Welcome to our video on estate planning for blended families, a topic that goes beyond finances and straight to the heart of family. Blended families bring together individuals from different walks of life, each with unique relationships and backgrounds, creating a rich but often complex tapestry of connections. When it comes to estate planning, these family dynamics can present unique challenges, and that's why it's essential to approach the process thoughtfully. In today's video, we'll explore how estate planning can be more than just a matter of assets and inheritance. It's an opportunity to create peace of mind, honor everyone's place within the family, and provide clarity for your loved ones. Whether you're bringing together children from past relationships, establishing bonds with stepchildren, or blending financial responsibilities, we'll discuss strategies to navigate these complexities with care. If you're ready to build a plan that protects your loved ones and nurtures family harmony across generations, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make estate planning a tool for unity, clarity, and a legacy that speaks to your family's unique journey. Complexities of relationships in blended families. Blended families, consisting of individuals who come together through remarriage, present a unique set of challenges and complexities when it comes to estate planning. Understanding and addressing these complexities is crucial to ensuring that the interests and needs of all family members are taken into account. Here are some of the key factors that contribute to the intricacies of relationships in blended families. Multiple sets of relationships. In blended families, individuals may have relationships with different sets of children, stepchildren, ex-spouses, and new spouses. Navigating these various relationships requires careful consideration to avoid potential conflicts and ensure that each family member is treated fairly. 2. Differing financial situations. Each family member in a blended family may come with their own financial assets, liabilities, and obligations. These differing financial situations can complicate estate planning, especially when it comes to determining how assets should be divided and distributed among the various family members. 3. Stepchildren and inheritance. One common challenge in blended families is determining how to provide for stepchildren in the estate plan. Without proper planning, stepchildren may be unintentionally excluded from inheritance, leading to potential disputes and hurt feelings among family members. 4. Potential for conflict. Blended families often bring together individuals with different values, expectations, and priorities. These differences can sometimes lead to conflicts over inheritance, decision-making authority, and other estate planning matters. It is important to address and mitigate these potential sources of conflict through open communication and clear documentation. 5. Legal considerations. Estate planning in blended families can involve complex legal considerations, such as the rights of biological children versus stepchildren, the treatment of assets acquired before and after the remarriage, and the validity of prenuptial agreements. Seeking legal guidance from an experienced estate planning attorney is essential to ensure that the estate plan complies with relevant laws and regulations. 6. Emotional dynamics. Blended families may also be affected by emotional dynamics stemming from past relationships, divorces, and family histories. These emotional factors can influence decision-making around estate planning and may require sensitivity and understanding to navigate effectively. The complexities of relationships in blended families underscore the importance of thoughtful and comprehensive estate planning. By addressing the unique challenges faced by blended families and proactively planning for them, individuals can help ensure that their estate plan reflects their wishes and promotes harmony among family members. So, address potential conflicts and tensions that may arise during estate planning. Addressing potential conflicts and tensions that may arise during estate planning is crucial, especially in the context of blended families where complex relationships and dynamics are involved. Here is a detailed section on this topic. Addressing potential conflicts and tensions in estate planning for blended families. Estate planning for blended families can present unique challenges due to the diverse relationships involved. It is essential to anticipate and address potential conflicts and tensions that may arise during the estate planning process to ensure that the wishes of the deceased are carried out smoothly and fairly. Here are some key considerations to help navigate potential conflicts. Open and transparent communication. Clear communication is the foundation for successful estate planning in blended families. Encourage open discussions among family members to ensure that everyone is aware of the estate planning decisions being made. This can help prevent misunderstandings and conflicts down the line. 2. Clarify intentions and expectations. Clearly outlining your intentions and expectations in your estate plan can help avoid ambiguity and reduce the likelihood of disputes. Be transparent about how you plan to distribute your assets and any specific considerations for different family members. 3. Seek professional guidance. Estate planning for blended families can be complex, especially if there are stepchildren or ex-spouses involved. Consulting with a qualified estate planning attorney or financial advisor can help you navigate the legal and emotional complexities of planning for your blended family. 4. Consider fairness versus equality. In blended families, the concepts of fairness and equality may not always align. It is important to consider the unique circumstances of each family member and tailor your estate plan accordingly. Strive for fairness in addressing individual needs and circumstances rather than aiming for equal distribution of assets. 5. Establish mediation or arbitration procedures. In the event of conflicts arising during the estate administration process, having mediation or arbitration procedures in place can help facilitate resolution without resorting to costly and time-consuming litigation. Including dispute resolution mechanisms in your estate plan can provide a structured way to address conflicts. 6. Address emotional considerations. Estate planning for blended families can bring up emotional issues related to inheritance, family dynamics, and past relationships. Be mindful of these emotional considerations when making estate planning decisions and seek to address them sensitively to minimize potential conflicts. 7. Review and update your plan regularly. Family dynamics and circumstances can change over time, so it is important to review and update your estate plan periodically to reflect any changes in relationships, assets, or preferences. By keeping your estate plan current, you can help prevent conflicts that may arise due to outdated or incomplete planning. Addressing potential conflicts and tensions in estate planning for blended families requires proactive communication, careful consideration of individual circumstances, and a willingness to adapt to changing dynamics. By taking steps to anticipate and mitigate potential conflicts, you can help ensure a smoother and more harmonious estate planning process for your blended family. This detailed section provides insights into how to navigate potential conflicts and tensions in estate planning for blended families, emphasizing the importance of communication, transparency, and thoughtful decision-making. Strategies for fostering communication and unity within blended families. Effective communication and fostering unity are crucial aspects of creating a harmonious blended family environment. Navigating the complexities of blending two families together requires intentional efforts to build strong relationships and ensure everyone feels valued and heard. Here are some strategies to promote communication and unity within blended families. Open and honest communication. Encourage open, honest, and respectful communication among all family members. Create a safe space where individuals can express their thoughts, feelings, and concerns without fear of judgment. Active listening is key to understanding each other's perspectives and building empathy. 2. Family meetings. Schedule regular family meetings to discuss important decisions, upcoming events, and any issues that need to be addressed. This provides an opportunity for all family members to share their thoughts, contribute ideas, and work together to find solutions. 3. Establish family rituals and traditions. Creating and maintaining family rituals and traditions can help strengthen bonds and create a sense of unity among family members. Whether it's a weekly game night, a monthly movie marathon, or a yearly vacation, these shared experiences can foster a sense of belonging and togetherness. 4. Respect individual differences. Recognize and respect the unique qualities and differences of each family member. Celebrate diversity and encourage acceptance of varying perspectives, backgrounds, and experiences. Emphasize the importance of mutual respect and understanding in promoting unity within the blended family. 5. Seek professional support. If communication challenges persist or conflicts arise, consider seeking the help of a family therapist or counselor. A neutral third party can provide guidance, facilitate discussions, and offer strategies to improve communication and resolve conflicts effectively. 6. Set clear expectations and boundaries. Establishing clear expectations and boundaries within the family helps prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Clearly communicate roles, responsibilities, and rules to ensure everyone is on the same page and understands their part in contributing to a harmonious family dynamic. 7. Celebrate achievements and milestones. Acknowledge and celebrate individual and collective achievements and milestones within the blended family. Whether it's a graduation, promotion, or special occasion, recognizing and celebrating these moments can foster a sense of pride, unity, and mutual support among family members. By implementing these strategies and prioritizing effective communication, understanding, and unity, blended families can navigate challenges and build strong, cohesive relationships that contribute to a happy and harmonious family life. As we wrap up, remember that estate planning for a blended family is more than organizing assets. It's a profound act of love, foresight, and unity. It's about creating a legacy that respects each relationship and honors the bonds you've worked so hard to build. By planning with intention and understanding, you're not only securing the financial future of those you care about, but also paving the way for harmony and respect in the years to come. Navigating family dynamics isn't always easy, but taking these steps now can offer clarity, prevent misunderstandings, and give your family a foundation of trust. The choices you make today will echo forward, helping to preserve the values and relationships that mean the most to you. Remember, estate planning is a chance to leave behind something far more significant than assets. It's the gift of peace, unity, and a future that reflects your heart for your family. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Now go forward with the courage to plan, the compassion to consider each family member, and the wisdom to create a legacy that truly endures.